In this guide, you'll learn how to turn off Auto Enhance on iPhone photos. If you prefer your photos to be natural and not automatically brightened or processed, this guide is for you. First, launch your settings, scroll all the way down and navigate to the option Apps. From the list of apps, find Photos and launch it. Here you'll find an option called SDR, which automatically enhances the brightness of your photos. Scroll to the bottom and turn off SDR to prevent auto enhancement on all photos. Next, go back to main settings page and scroll down until you see the option camera. The first thing we will do is change the photographic styles. Click on that option, scroll, and you're gonna find different options. Set it to standard. Now scroll down and tap on Formats. Under Recorded Sound, if your iPhone supports ProRAW, consider turning it on. This allows you to take raw, unprocessed photos directly from your camera, giving you full control over the image without automatic adjustments. If you don't see this option, let's move on to next steps. Scroll a bit further down and you'll see an option called Prioritize Faster Shooting. This setting helps your iPhone capture images more quickly but can affect the quality of the photo by processing it differently. Turn this off to avoid unnecessary image adjustments. I also recommend turning off lens correction and macro control, as these settings can alter the image in the background and interfere with the natural look of your photos. And that's it. You have successfully turned off Auto Enhance for your iPhone photos, giving you more control over how your images look. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.